Anderson, 1986 Ford Mustang. Look at that run. He will go a 10.08, 130 miles per hour. And he stands it up, and he had the front tires up through the 1-2 shift out there. He ran a low 10-second time earlier today through the quarter mile. He will go a 10.04. He carried the front tires through the 1-2 shift earlier today. Mark Anderson. Did better the third time around. Third time's the charm for Mark Anderson. Actually chirped the tires in the 1-2 shift. Carried the front end even higher, and that is his low ET, I think, just about the day today. 10.05, 130 miles per hour for Mark Anderson, the 86 Ford Mustang from Downs, Illinois.